Alright, check this out. I think this is my first official Nissan Nismo part. It's from a, I think it's a 370Z. And C2 865 1E A00. I have to look that up. I don't know what the A, but I think this only fits like the 370s. But I haven't even opened it yet. Pretty cool. Here's my original 1970 knob, which is 8mm, and this is 10mm. I think it's 1.25. So I found some adapters to convert 8.125 to 10. If not, I'm gonna have to weld a bolt on my shifter lever because this is going on the truck one way or another. Let's do a little unboxing here. I think it's my first Nismo part ever. I don't even want to open this thing. I don't even know. Should I cut the box? I love this box. Comes with a 6-speed shifter sticker. Kind of instructions or something? What is this thing? Oh, they're in Japanese, but I think I could figure out how to install this thing. Oh yeah, unscrew, screw. Maybe I could translate that. Yeah, ooh, this is nice. Oh, it's gonna be hot in the sun. Oh wow, not as heavy as I thought it would be. Is this aluminum? Get a magnet. I think I'll leave the sticker off because that'll confuse my son. Oh yeah, it's embossed. Will you quit doing that? So let's see. The $1 million question is, whoa, will it fit? What is that? Does it not come with a? Oh wait, there's more. Is there something in here? Yeah. Boom. Comes with a sticker. I think I need to buy another piece. That's kind of weird. It says 10mm on there. How am I supposed to connect that to my anything? Looks like PVC. Or is it threads way up in there? Oh, I see a bolt in there. I need a long bolt. Here you go, find a bolt. I think there's some threads way up in there. Way. Alright, here's what I dislike about this red one. Whoa, that's got a big hole too. Is that you unscrew it and this plastic thing gets stuck. And then you can't get the boot off. And I need to take this off. And you need a pair of pliers. This is just going to destroy itself. This ain't going to last long. So that's why I'm upgrading. Alright, so I just had a problem. My 8.125 bolt goes into this adapter, but it didn't, this adapter didn't fit on the shaft. So I don't know if my threads are just messed up, so I just run a 8x1.25 chase or tap or die down the Datsun shifter. This is a 620 shifter or 720 shifter. I think it's a 720 shifter. Should have been 8x1.25, I think. But if not, it is now. I just ran the tap down it. Now my adapter fits. So now, let's see, here's the moment of truth. Does it fit? Ooh. Doesn't feel like it's making threads. Yeah. I'm pulling on it. Doesn't. So I think it is threaded. I don't think it's just a chunk of plastic like the aftermarket one is. Oh, here it goes. This is kind of nerve-wracking. It's going to work. Or am I going to have to buy a Z-shifter and cut it in half and weld it on my truck shifter? Does it stop spinning? Does it? Oh, now it just stopped. Okay. It's official. My first official Nismo part. So I need to mount this boot. It's kind of weird. Probably would look better with a sticker on there, but I don't have a 6-speed. Maybe if I put the sticker on, it'll make it a 6-speed. Maybe it's got special powers. Probably. Where's the Nismo? Oh great, the Nismo is facing where I can't see it. I'm afraid to break it. I'm afraid to break it. Where's the Nismo? There's the Nismo. Shiny. Okay. I'll have to drive it now and see if I like it. I don't know. Is this thing even metal? I think it's aluminum. I have to get a magnet. Where's a magnet around here? I don't think that's steel. Oh, here's a magnet right there. No. For some reason I thought it was steel. It's probably aluminum, but it's a very thin layer of aluminum. It's not a big solid chunk like this thing is twice the weight. This thing's 100% aluminum. Anyways, let's try it out. I just noticed in the packaging there's 2 stickers, 5 and 6. Thank you, Nissan. Very cool. They don't have a 4-speed, but I've got a 5-speed. How big is this? So here's the finished installed knob. Still gotta fix that boot so it sits better. Yeah, that's the genuine Nissan Nismo shifter knob. I didn't put the sticker on there because I figured I'd probably wear it off. But yeah, it feels good driving it. I like it.